Alright, this tutorial is going to have lots of layering, so bear with me. You don't have to do all these steps. Kind of go with however you want the look to be. So I'm taking Nail Addict's Kiss Me Now, and I'm going to do one thin layer on all of these nails and give it a cure. And what I like about this one, not only is it holographic because duh, it is super thin. So I'm not adding any bulk to my nail, and since this is a layered look, I want to make sure that the polishes that I am using are super thin. All right, so now this is the kind of step you don't necessarily have to do. I am going to do it because I want two different effects. One, and then we are going to do that kind of bulged cat eye. You could probably, if you didn't want the holographic, I would do a simple layer of this one, cure it, and not do like the holographic-y. So 1, 2, and I'm gonna repeat. And I am going to flash cure after each one to make sure I have that cat eye. All right, these bad boys are fully cured, so you can see it's just so pretty. It's just so pretty. And we are going to come in with this Born Pretty, and this is a flash gel. So we have the cat eye that does that kind of, I don't know how to describe it anymore. But then we have the flash gel, so your nails at night are also gonna look like what they look like during the day. So I'm doing a nice thin coat of this bad boy. So now that's 3 layers. So like I said, plus we still have a top coat. You're gonna wanna make sure that A, you are expecting that many layers and make your nails a little bit thinner, or just skip a step that you don't want. But for me, it's not adding too much thickness. Repeating that process. You can see the difference between these two. You do lose a little bit of that cat eye, but not too much. So you can see it's still there, and that's what I absolutely love about this. Don't touch the edge like I did, but that's fine. I'm just gonna give it a little buff here. We might still be okay. Yeah. All right, now, so I saw this design. I do not remember who it is from. I will link it above here where I got the inspiration from. So I'm going to take this Bella Vina art liner in white and then the red one as well. These just make my life so much easier because they're already done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm kind of just loosely adding just kind of like lines, almost like they're icicles. And I'm not really paying attention to if it's perfect, if it's not, you know, I'm just loosely putting it down. And I'm gonna do that on all of the nails. Yeah, I'm gonna cure that. And I'm going to make little dots. You can make them big, you can make them small. I'm doing this one a little bit larger because I have my little cluster here. I'm taking a glossy top coat and I'm just taking the, oh my gosh, it just looks so pretty. If you wanted to, which I think would also make this like pop, is if you went over the design in a matte, but I just can't matte top coat this glitter. It's just giving me too many feels. All right, wiped off the tacky layer, adding some of this cuticle oil. I absolutely love this look so much because you get double bang for your buck, I feel like, because you get that like super, there it is, like, you know what I mean? Like the oomph. But then the magic happens when you turn off the light. I don't know if this camera is gonna pick it up because it never has in the past. So if so, I will enter a clip, but I'm gonna try it.